Welcome to the East Valley America's Job Center of California. It's a system of local, state, national, public and private partners all committed to helping our residents get the job that they need. And here in our 24,000 square feet, we've got a fully stocked resource room, we've got 6 classrooms, multiple conference rooms, a suite of offices, and 50 cubicles. Residents are able to access a variety of resources, whatever thing that they need to help them get a job or get a better job.
We're expected to add over 200,000, 250,000 new jobs in the Inland Empire and San Bernardino County over the next 25 years. And this new asset is so important for our residents of San Bernardino County. It's great to see it here. It's beautiful. And so not just to bless this brand new facility that we have, but also the board and the staff and the partners here to make that happen. You have a great team. There's not just a job available, but there's better jobs for them to help improve their lives day in, day out.
As we think of this as a job seeker facility, it's not only that, but it really meets the needs of our business community. Because we're looking to help those families. We're looking when they walk in this door. We've got a phenomenal staff, by the way. They genuinely care about people. Because once they come into this counter and they get moved around to find out what they need, then they come back and they actually meet one-on-one with folks that care about them and their family and their career and their future.
I actually have family that started their own trucking company, and I heard about, this service on how they're providing training for Class A drivers, and they'll help with funding. So not just truck driving, they probably have, pharmacy technician, pretty much anything you will want to go to school for and have to pay for, they're providing.
It's a very good opportunity for me and my family so I can develop my skills and become a better citizen and grow and make more money for my family. And they prepare us for interviews and so be prepared for work.